In this video, I'll answer these questions about the Sony 16-50mm kit lens that I've owned for a few years. This is a long-term review of this lens. Most people are given a lens to try out, review, and then they return it. I've had this lens for years, so let me give you my review. Why did I buy the lens? This lens came with my Sony a6000, and I've heard so many reviewers crap on this lens for not being super sharp. Sorry, not everyone has $1,000 to throw around when they're just starting in photography. What do I use this lens for? When I first bought this camera, I used this lens for everything. It was the lens I used when I was on an Alaskan cruise. For all the negative things I hear about this lens, it looks good to me. See, here's the problem. Lens manufacturers and reviewers always want to chase the sharpest lens possible and have you dump thousands of dollars into them. Unless you're getting paid that much for your pictures, then why pay that much? This camera was bought to take pictures in Alaska for my dad to make paintings out of them, not to sell them to National Geographic. I would like to know how many of you actually print out your pictures or just post them online. How good is this lens and are there issues with it? If you want to take good pictures of your trip or take family pictures and just bought a Sony a6000 series camera and it came with this lens, you can take great pictures with it, like the ones I took in Alaska. The autofocus is fast. I ain't seen any blurry images because of slow autofocus. Do I still use it? The issue I had really wasn't the image quality, but the range. I had this 16-50mm and the Sony 55-210mm lens, and I kept having to switch between them so many times to get the pictures I wanted. So when the Sony 18-135 came out, I grabbed it and I've used it ever since. Are there other options? Yes, plenty. But for a first lens, it was great. I learned how to use the camera, and I learned other focal lengths I wanted to buy. Would I recommend this lens? In the beginning? Yeah, it is fine. You may want a wider zoom range or a wider aperture, but until then, just enjoy taking pictures and stop worrying about it's not super sharp. Chances are, most people may not even notice. For a long-term review of the Sony 18-135 lens that I mentioned in this video, watch this video.